Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now today I'm doing leg quarters. I've seasoned with my green seasoning that I have created, and I've just popped them in my oven. I cook them for about 20 minutes on each side. I make a nice gravy to go with it, and this gravy I'm just gonna add the leg quarters. I've added some ketchup and barbecue sauce and a few more other ingredients just to make the gravy nice and rich and tasty. Now I've just added the leg quarters, cook it down a bit so let it reduce, and then I've served it up with my chickpeas rice and some cucumber with lettuce and tomato. Now this meal was so delicious. Let me know in the comment if you like. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more meal ideas. And let me know if you've been enjoying the videos that I've been putting up. Let me know.